guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a look inspired by April's birthstone, which is diamond. The picture that I use as my inspiration would be this picture right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to take my Naked 2 palette and dip into a little bit of tease. Then I'm going to be taking a little bit of this lighter blue, just a very little bit of this, and putting it in the crease. I don't want this to be a straight up blue, I want it to be more of a hue of blue, or a tint. Then I'm going to cut the crease using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Then I'm going to set that with white eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow in Diamond Dust and go over where I put that white shadow. Then I'm going to take a mix of that Tease shade from the Naked 2 palette that I used before and that blue shadow from the 35B palette. Then I'm going to take the NYX white liquid liner and trace over that line of the cut crease. Okay, I did this quickly off of camera, but I wet my brush and took my Too Faced Cat Eyes palette and went in with kitty glitter and put it over the wing. When I speed up me doing the other eye, I will show you how I did that. Now I'm going to quickly do the other side and show you how I did that silver liner. Now I am going to quickly do my lashes and base really quick off of camera, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to take that same kitty glitter shade and run this on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and line my waterline. Then I'm going to take the NYX Liquid White Liner and put this on my lower lashes to make them white. Then I'm going to take Forever Lit from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and put this on my inner corner and brow bone. Now for blush, I'm going to be taking the Becca Blush with Light Blush Trio, and I'm going to be taking Wisteria. I think that's what it's called. But this cool toned pink. For highlight, I'm going to be going back in with Forever Lit. Now for lips, I'm going to be taking Tarte's Creamy Matte Lip Paint in Birthday Suit. And that is all that I have for you guys today on this look. I hope I did a pretty good job trying to create a look inspired by a diamond. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys. And that blue palette. Okay, so this one is gonna be difficult, but I think I have a general idea of what I'm gonna do.